we are looking at how to pronounce this name in Hebrew, as well as how to say more interesting Hebrew names and biblical names as well, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. Of course, in English this is known and pronounced as Samuel. In Hebrew, however, this is normally pronounced as Shmuel. Shmuel, pretty straightforward once you know. Shmuel is Hebrew for Samuel, and now you know. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support indeed. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.